8 divided by 8 equals 1, 4 divided by 4 equals 1, 1 divided by 1 equals 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have 3 division operators present. According to the rules, we have to work from left to right to simplify this expression. So first we solve this division because that's on the leftmost side. So 8 divided by 8, that gives us 1. Our expression simplifies to 1 divided by 4 divided by 4. Now we need to solve this one because that one is on the left side. We can write it as 1 over 4, and then we have divide by 4 present from the original expression, which can be written as 4 over 1. Now if you notice, we have a division operator and we have fractions on either side of it. What we can do is we can use KCF rule, keep, change and flip, to simplify it. Keep means we keep 1 over 4 or first fraction as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication, and flip means we flip the fraction 4 over 1 as 1 over 4. Now we have multiplication operator present in between the fractions, and all we need to do is multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators to get the result. So 1 times 1 equals 1 and 4 times 4 equals 16, and that is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.